What's up guys? Are you looking for an easy to install, easy to remove half windshield for your Polaris RZR Trail S? Well, SuperATV has you covered, and today we're going to show you everything you need to do to get one installed. First thing you're going to do whenever you get your windshield is go ahead and remove it out of the box. It's very important that you do not remove this protective film until you've confirmed that the windshield fits. So we're going to take it, lay it up on the machine, confirm that it's going to fit. So we're going to take it back over to our bench, peel our protective film. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and grab our bulb seal and install it right here below where our clamp's going to sit. That's just going to give us clearance there so our clamp fits on easy. And we're just going to take this bulb seal, run it all the way around to this point here, cut off our excess, and then whatever excess we have, we'll put a little piece here as well as a little piece here. We want to make sure that the bulb seal is facing in towards the machine like this. So now we're going to come right here, right in line with the bottom of where our clamp's going to be, and just cut off our excess. Then we'll just get our bulb seal fully seated. Then we're just going to take a bulb seal and cut a small little piece. Just kind of lay it up there, just, you know, a little short piece there, something about like this. Just install it on this side, then do the same thing for the opposite side. So once our bulb seal's on, we're ready to get our windshield installed to the machine. We'll have 2 clamps in the kit. Go ahead and take one of the clamps here, wrap it around the cage, and then I like to feed my strap through the windshield and then through the clamp like this. Make sure you got a good little bit of strap coming through your clamp. Take the strap, feed it back through the hole. Get your clamp lined up. Strap it down like that. Makes good contact on the hood. Fits really nicely. And come over here to the opposite side. Do the same exact thing. Once you have your heavy-duty straps installed, that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's half windshield on this Polaris RZR Trail S. For more information on this windshield or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call or check us out online. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.